Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create playlists on TikTok. As you guys see, my TikTok is kind of all over the place. There's some Warframe content, some Overwatch content, some Genshin Impact content. So a playlist actually might come in handy so I can put the different stuff in the playlist and I don't have to try to make a new TikTok for each. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to first show you guys on the browser how to create playlists on TikTok. And then I'm going to show you guys on the mobile app, okay? Now, I do, however, want to start by mentioning that at this, it's not clear how many, if any, anymore because TikTok updates their stuff all the time. But I have been told that, well, when I got it anyway, that you needed at least 10,000 followers to be able to unlock this. So keep that in mind. And then once you have 10,000 followers, if you are on the desktop version, you'll click your hover over your icon thing, go to your profile, and then right here it should have a create playlist. Give your playlist a name, then you select said videos. Like, let's go ahead and make this Warframe playlist we talked about, and go ahead and put this Warframe stuff in the playlist. Then we can organize it as need be. And yeah, that's just there. And then once we're done with that, we just hit the X and then we would hit create. And then bada bing, bada boom, we have the playlist right there. We can edit, we can add posts, remove posts, all that jazz. And right now we have our playlist. I actually think I want the top one to probably be this one right now, and I did that pretty easily. I go back to my profile, and then there we go with that. That is the top one on the list. Now, I do also want to show you guys how to do this on mobile. So let's go on mobile, shall we? Okay, we're in the mobile app right now. I clicked on my profile. It's just as straightforward as on desktop. You click the plus, enter the name, select videos. Now, as you can see, the playlist I created is here. So let's go back from that. And yeah, there you go. Pretty straightforward from that. As you can see, I do have some pinned videos on here. I'm going to go ahead, click on this. Okay, so I clicked on this video and there is an add to playlist button. I can create a new playlist or add it to my current playlist. So I'm going to add it to my current playlist. And there you go. Hopefully this helps. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys like the idea of playlists existing. Do you guys have access to playlists let me know, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.